Yo, it's your boy THD Gaming back here with another Pokemon pack opening. First up, what's our first pack?
Gardens Rising.
And right, wait, focus. There we go. Gardens Rising. Who was that on the front again? Was it Gogo?
Tapu Koko.
Tapu Koko. It's a native. Don't worry. It's a native. Trash. Oh! Bitches!
Ooh.
Which one is that?
Full art Turtonator. Like
Ooh.
this.
Man's just got. I'm gonna call it right now. $40 card right there as well. $40 card.
Let's see.
Fuck, I am at 5%. We're gonna have to keep going. Huh? It's upstairs. I'll get it after.
Another good one.
Alright.
Ooh. Never mind.
Trash. Did you guys know in YouTube, YouTubers hate when people record on not landscape? That was trash again. Look at this. It's disgusting.